That easy. Status bar and customization. This is the AutoCAD Status Bar. It is very different from any we have placed so far. Any arrangement made in it will be reflected in each workspace. Let's click on Customization. The options checked in this list correspond to tools currently enabled in the status bar. A click on each option adds or removes a check mark to it, adding or removing it from the status bar. For efficient work, I recommend making the following arrangement of tools for the status bar. Next, I will indicate only the tools that we want to have in the status bar. Coordinates, Model Space, Grid, Snap Mode, Dynamic Input, Ortho Mode, Polar Tracking, Isometric Drafting, Object Snap Tracking, 2D Object Snap, Line Weight, Selection Cycling. Snap 3D Object Snap is critical to 3D work. However, I suggest that you only add it once you get enough practice with 2D Objects Snap. Annotation Visibility, Autoscale, Annotation Scale, Workspace Switching, Annotation Monitor. Let's now close the list by clicking on Customization. That easy.